which was super easy. You just go in and you put some of your preferences on there. So we didn't even need to come into the lobby, but the lobby is quite beautiful. We went straight to our room and checked it out and used our magic bands to get into the room. You can also use your phone if you don't have a magic band. But if you look around, it's really nicely Caribbean themed, very tropical feeling. Beautiful atrium with, you know, nice fans and really just that tropical coloring. So we're just gonna go explore a little bit and see what's around here. All right, so we have just arrived at Caribbean Beach Resort. This is probably the biggest resort, the most spread out. It is quite large. We are in Trinidad, which is really one of the furthest from everything. However, it is one of the renovated rooms. So one time they were the pirate rooms, but they did renovate these into the Little Mermaid rooms, and they're really quite pretty now. As you can see, they've got kind of some pastel colors, some Little Mermaid pictures on the walls. And we did get the 5th sleeper room, which is kind of nice so that our kids can have 2 separate beds. They always sleep much better when they have 2 separate beds. And then it also has a queen bed for us, as you can see here. And we also get a Hey Disney, which is a lot of fun. We love playing with the Hey Disney. And then there's plenty of space over here. You can unpack. You have a little refrigerator here. This is a beverage cooler, so it does not get cold enough for things like medicines. So if you need something like that, you actually do need to ask the front desk. Got lots of storage over here. We've got trash. We've got a coffee maker here. We can get some ice. If you look over here, this is a bench for now with some storage underneath. However, folds down into our 5th sleeper. This clearly cannot fit a large adult. It will fit a child. So I guess for reference, I am 5'6" and could maybe use it if I kind of curled up to sleep, but it's not ideal for an adult, but it does fit a child. All right, so then you come into the restroom, and it's got a nice sliding area in case you need to keep it dark while everybody else is sleeping and you're trying to get ready. It does have the double sinks, which is one of the nice things about a lot of the moderate resorts at Disney. And then it has a little kind of closet area over here. It has a hair dryer that comes with it, more storage space, and then an area to hang clothes. You have a ironing board, extra pillow and blanket down here, and then actually looks like a steam iron down there. All right, and then it does have this separate toilet and shower area, so you can close that off if you need to. It does have a little bit of theming in here as well. You've got a picture of Flounder and Sebastian, and then a shower and bathtub. It is fairly small, but it will fit, you know, if you need it for kids, like it'll fit a little kids in the bathtub. All right, so as you can see, this is the other bed. It does lay down. It's actually a pretty nice sized bed. It looks like maybe a full bed. So super easy to lay down. It gives you plenty of space, but then when you put it up, you have more space to walk around. So it really feels like a bigger room than it is because of the Murphy bed.
See you real soon.